Hey there friends, in today's video we are going to be resetting these AirPods. This is going to be a factory reset. It's super simple. Let's do it right now. Okay, so these are just the standard AirPods. The AirPod Pros are going to work pretty much the exact same way. Basically what you need is your charging case and you need both of your AirPods in the case. Now, as you can see, we have a little light system that's right in the middle of the pods right there. And then on the back of the case, we've got this little white button. Now, this is your connect button, but if you hold that down for roughly 15 seconds, what's gonna happen is this little light will start blinking amber. As soon as that starts blinking amber, you can release this white button and that will factory reset the pods. Now again, remember this is going to erase them from any device that you currently have them Bluetooth connected to. So you will have to set up that process again, but this is going to be a great way of rebooting things. So let's go ahead and do that so you can see exactly what it looks like. I'm going to push and hold this button and you can see that it goes into the connect mode. That's that flashing white. Again, I'm still holding. We'll give it a few more seconds here. That's been roughly 10 seconds. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. There you go. You can see it's flashing that amber now, and then it goes back to that white. So at this point, these have been fully reset. We can close these down now. Again, if you want to reconnect them to your phone, all you now need to do is get them close to your phone, open them back up. As long as the Bluetooth is on, immediately recognize that AirPods are trying to connect, and you can reestablish your connection. Friends, I hope that helps. If it has, would you guys hit that thumbs up button? Let us know we're making great videos, and stay tuned because we got a bunch more AirPods and iPhone tutorials that are coming up really soon. Thanks for watching.